How to save S3 object to a file using boto3. I'm trying to do a hello world with new boto3 client for AWS. The use case I have is fairly simple. Get object from S3 and save it to the file. In boto2.x I would do it like this. In boto3, I can't find a clean way to do the same thing, so I'm manually iterating over the streaming object. Or and it works fine. I was wondering, is there any native boto3 function that will do the same task?
There is a customization that went into boto3 recently which helps with this, among other things. It is currently exposed on the low-level S3 client, and can be used like this. These functions will automatically handle reading/writing files as well as doing multi-part uploads in parallel for large files. Note that s3_client.download_file won't create a directory. It can be created as pathlib.path/path/to/file.txt.parent.mdir, parents equals true, exist_ok equals true. Boto3 now has a nicer interface than the client. This by itself isn't tremendously better than the client in the accepted answer, although the docs say that it does a better job retrying uploads and downloads on failure. But considering that resources are generally more ergonomic, for example, the S3 bucket and object resources are nicer than the client methods, this does allow you to stay at the resource layer without having to drop down. Resources generally can be created in the same way as clients, and they take all or most of the same arguments and just forward them to their internal clients.
For those of you who would like to simulate the set_contents_from_string like boto2 methods, you can try. For Python 3. In Python 3, both stringo and xstringo are gone. Use the stringo import like to support both version.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.